Hey, y'all. You ever stroll out to your garden in July, see those droopy leaves and think, there's gotta be a better way? Well, there is. Today I'm showing you how to build a DIY summer garden watering system that'll save you time, water, and a little bit of sanity too. If you're ready to garden smarter, not harder, go ahead and tap that like button and let's dive in. Now when summer hits, water just vanishes. We're talking up to 1.5 inches lost each week from plain old evaporation. Sprinklers? They waste half their water to run off in air. And hand watering? Well, unless you're out there with a stopwatch, it's never quite right. So what's the fix? It's a simple, low-cost system you can set up in under an afternoon. Here's what you need. Soaker hoses or half-inch drip tubing, barbed connectors and end caps, a digital hose timer, a backflow preventer, and a pressure regulator. Top it off with a wheelbarrow of mulch, straw, bark, or even compost. You can grab all this for $50 to $100, depending on the size of your garden, and you'll cut your water use by more than half. Let's get building. First, plan your layout. Grab a notepad, sketch your beds, and run your hoses around the base of your plants, not over the leaves. That helps keep disease at bay. Next, lay out your soaker hose or drip tubing. If you're growing veggies, space them about 1 foot apart. Bigger crops? Go a little wider, 18 to 24 inches. You want those lines just under the mulch, hugging the soil. Now let's hook it all up. Screw your timer onto the spigot, pop on your backflow preventer and pressure regulator, then slide on your tubing adapter. Connect your hoses with those barbed connectors and cap off the ends. I promise, it's easier than it sounds, and you'll only get wet if you test it with your back turned. Time to fire it up. Run your system for about 20 to 30 minutes. Check the soil. Poke in your finger or a trowel. You want it moist down to 4-6 inches. Adjust your timer so it goes off early in the morning 2 or 3 times a week. That way your plants get a deep drink and you don't lose water to the midday sun. Bonus tips, because I want you winning out there. Mulch keeps your ground cool, slashing evaporation by half. Don't water in the heat of the day, and group thirsty plants together so you don't overdo it on the tough guys. And there you go, a garden watering system that works while you enjoy your sweet tea in the shade. Your plants will thank you, and so will your water bill. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more easy, down-to-earth garden hacks. Go on, let your garden thrive all summer long.